Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce and today's video is about moms. What gift ideas I'm going to suggest so we can give our moms or ideas for us as a mom. So let's get started. We often are worried about what we should give to our husbands, to our children, but our husbands, it's easy. Just ask them. Our children, they will tell you what they want. They usually do. And if they don't, you as a mom, you know already what they need because they outgrow their clothes and their shoes every month. But for moms, sometimes it's a little bit tricky. And if you are a mom, you will agree that these gifts that I'm going to tell you are the hit. There are different types of moms here, and I'm gonna tell you what I did. I actually come up with this list of gift ideas not by myself. I asked a group of moms, especially of moms. Everybody there is a mom. These are true ideas, legit ideas that some other moms told me about. Most of moms, if you ask them, they will come up with either a list of things, like specific things that they want, or things that they will help her to be better at her job. And what is her job? Be at home with their family, but in a good mood, right? Because we all want to be in a good mood and in our 100%. The first and most easy is a gift card. Just ask them what kind of gift card they would like to have. It can be Amazon gift card. That's the best thing that you can do because it's one of the places where you can find almost everything, if it's not everything. Anything gift card, Amazon, Wayfair, Indigo, you name it. Just ask for their preference in stores and they will tell you. And there was a mom who came up with this wonderful idea just to have a prepaid card. It could be a MasterCard or Visa card, and there you have it. Easy and fast, just money that mom can spend on her own, and that's amazing as well. For moms that are really tired because of COVID, we really don't have any time to rest. Look at me, I'm here and it's 5 a.m. and I'm here filming a video for you guys. So for busy moms, you might want to consider some cleaning services, cleaning lady for a day, for a week. But this will actually help mom in her mood. She will be really thankful for this. Another mom came up with this other wonderful idea of a spa gift certificate, when you can pamper yourself and just take a relaxed day or like maybe half day without any kids, without any responsibilities, and she will be very thankful. Another easy way is just to give her some cash and a weekend getaway. If you're the husband, maybe you can just take her somewhere. And I know that with COVID it's a little bit complicated, but maybe you can just rent an Airbnb and take her away somehow without the kids, so she can just relax a little bit, just having a couple's time. There are some other moms who will be very thankful just for having some time for themselves. 4 hours, half day, one day, just to be by themselves. Sometimes when you are a mom, you really miss yourself because you don't have time to dress up, to style your hair, to be with yourself, to read a book, to just order takeout and don't cook just to have a space for you. So if you can give some of these, she will be really thankful. Some other moms just ask things, and these will be depending of the mom. So for example, there are techie moms, they will be asking you for maybe an iPad. And in iPad, I've seen other YouTubers, and believe me when I tell you that you don't have to get them the iPad Pro, because they will be really happy and they won't miss any features with the iPad Air, the new one they came up. These will be a really good gift for them. Also an Apple Watch. Some moms will love to have an Apple Watch, and if they are in a crafty side of moms, you can give them maybe a Cricut maker or any variety of Cricut. There's a lot of options out there in the market depending on what she's doing, but also you can get her like just a craft organizer or craft section, and you will find any of these on Wayfair, even Amazon you can find some options. So some of other crafty moms, they will ask you just for their craft supplies. You might consider give them some of that material. A Roomba. And if you don't know what a Roomba is a vacuum that it's like automatic, and it will go and vacuum everything. You just let it to be by itself, and it's really cool. Also household items, you will get the options that these moms gave me were like a Roomba, an air fryer, slow cooker. And about personal stuff, some of them will prefer to have a perfume, some skincare products, some beauty products, something so they can pamper themselves, like bubble baths. Subscription boxes are a hit as well, because they can get monthly or every season, every 4 months, a subscription box with a bunch of things, and these are not as pricey. There are some of the good ones out there that I've known is Costbox. This I believe this one is Canadian, and the other one is Pit Pat Pan. So these ones are really good and amazing for moms as well, because you get excited once every season because you're getting something for you in the mail. It can be a purse, a wallet, something personal like that as well. Some of the moms that they have everything and they are very thankful, they suggested just give some money to some charity, and they mentioned some. Other moms are really affected by COVID, and this is for more like grandmas. And if you're in this situation, you might want to just consider ask for a regular or normal Christmas, which is really difficult at this time because of COVID, but they will just wish to have all the family together under the roof, and that will be their best gift. So maybe you can like kind of surprise them to something like that. Just please be careful, try to cover yourself, cover them, help your mom with this in this Christmas, and please be safe. If you are spending time with some other relatives, just please make sure you are safe. So I hope these gift ideas are helpful for you. Either you're a husband, a son, a daughter, and you want to make this Christmas special for your mom, these are great options. Some other moms, they just ask for PJs, because PJs are like the best thing, best present for Christmas. I often ask for a PJ. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and the subscribe button, and of course just turn on the notification bell, because it will help you to get notified every time that I upload a new video. And thank you for all your support as always. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.